So I'm going to be honest with you, coach to trader. What actually produces results? It's not the setup, and it's not the signal, and it's not me calling the market. It's actually you. Your performance is your edge. And here's the truth that most people never learn. The edge, it's actually in the math. That's the way we've constructed everything here. We've built the edge into the math. But the money is in the execution, whether you hold or fold. See, the strategy that we run is a defined risk butterfly, and it's a coin-weighted flip that's in your favor. And it's built that way on purpose. That's the math. But a weighted coin doesn't pay you a dime unless you flip it the same way over and over, thousands of times without flinching. That consistency is key. The edge lives in the probabilities that are contained within the strategy itself. And the money, that lives in your execution of that strategy. You miss that, doesn't matter. The greatest strategy on earth won't save you. And that is exactly why I can stand here and give you the whole strategy for free in public 3 days a week and lose nothing. In fact, you can also go to any of my videos and get all the same stuff. If you can piece it all together, it's all there. Because knowing the strategy and executing it are two completely different things. One's free, and then the other is the work that makes a career in trading. So let me show you where this is as plain as day. See, I grew up playing baseball from a little leaguer all the way up to semi-pro ball where I played in the Cape Cod League. And my whole life, the warm-up before the game never changed, not a single bit. You do the long toss, you take grounders, and batting practice. So whenever I go to watch the pros at Fenway Park, it's my home field, I'd get there really early on purpose because I wanted to watch them warm up and maybe get a signature. And you know what I saw? It was the exact same drills. The best players on the planet, the elite of the elite, are warming up with the same fundamentals I'd been doing since I was 8 years old. There's no secret routine that shows up when you make the big leagues. The pros and the 8-year-old kids do the exact same drills. The only difference, and this is everything, the master, the elites, find infinite depth in those fundamentals. Now, that's not just a baseball truth. That's a general performance truth in just about any kind of performance-oriented vocation, like sales or management or anything, building a business. Nobody at the top of anything is doing something more complicated than a beginner. They're practicing the same fundamentals, only they're going deeper. So I want you to listen closely. You're not going to level up by finding a fancier trade. The trader at the very top of his or her game is running the same butterfly, the same process, the same discipline as the beginner on day one. And he didn't trade up. He went deeper. You don't need a better strategy. You need to go deeper into one that you already have. And that just takes reps.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable zero DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care, guys.